Good morning guys! Happy Sunday! Today is July 7, 9:28 AM. Paalis kami guys kasi pupunta kami ng Langley. Parang almost 45 to 50 minutes drive. Attend kami ng first birthday ng friend ko. Tapos, sila din yung umorder ng desserts. So, gumawa ako ng biko, puto, saka maha blanca. So, ayan. Hintay lang namin si Harold dito kasi kinuha pa niya yung mga camping chairs. Dadalhin namin yun kasi sa park ang birthday. So, ayan. See you guys later. Hili! Hili! My beautiful baby. Ganda-ganda naman ang OOTD. Show them your OOTD. Naka-dress yan eh. Oh, naka-dress. Let's go. Let's go.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Guys, nandito na kami sa picnic shelter, Alder Grove. Ayan o. Diyan yung party. Tapos si Harold, nag-set up na itong camping chair namin dito sa may lilim. Ayan. Tapos kay Healy, if ever gusto niya dyan. Ayan. May play mat siya. Kinukuha pa daw yung mga foods. Patingin ako niya, ano mahal. Enjoy ka dyan, ha? Nasa outside ang play area mo ngayon, ha? Ay! Sige dyan, ha? Isis! Wala. Dapat nga bibili tayo ng ganun, eh. Pagkapad pa tayo ng grocery. Pati sunscreen nga natin, eh. Uy, Mili, madudumihan yung medyas mo, ha? Salit na ka lang. Ano naman? Baka naglalakad na nga to. Hindi kayo! Hindi na ano, ito mo. Gapang! 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 Napagod! Napagod! O, dali! Gapang nga kay Amara! Gapang doon! Hindi! Baka naglalakad na si Amara eh. Nakastand na siya eh. One na! Nag-ano siguro na yan, nag-walk na yan si Amora. Nakaka-stand na yan eh. Oh! Walk na yan, oh! Kaka-walk na yan eh. Oh, ganda naman ang dress niya.
Oh, gayahin yan.
Ganda naman ang dress. Naghili, oh! Ayun na, ayun na. Ay, balik hinili! Nagkakahiyaan pa eh. Cute, para kang si Tinkerbell. Kanta muna, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah! Kanta muna, happy birthday! Asan na yung ano? Candle! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Gentle!
Baka nagkakamutan na.
Yana! Naka-bracelet pa si Yana, oh. Lipad-pad! May new friend ka. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay, guys. Time check, 5 p.m. Ay, ang ingay ni microwave. Pinainit ko lang yung sharo naming lechon, kare-kare, sa kapalabok. Ayun, guys. And that's it for our vlog today. Naka-heat warning kami. 30 degrees sa labas, guys. Kaya diretso uwi na kami. Hindi na kami nag-side trip. Kaya, ayan. And si Hailey nakatulog yan. Pero nag-iyak-iyak muna yan. Bago siya makatulog. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more updated videos. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Say bye.